Hey, this is Kat. I'm here with my vintage Jacques Fath jacket. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Let me show you the label. This is so vintage you can't even read the tag. Long story short, I found this in a vintage resale shop. Let me rephrase that. I found this in the East Coast in a like throwaway type bin. They didn't know the quality of this garment and the designer. So what happens with a lot of vintage, amazing clothes, especially like suit jackets from the 40s, 30s, 50s, even maybe 60s, people take off the original buttons. So long story short, I need help replacing these buttons. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 buttons. They damaged the jacket a little with their sewing. Someone used green thread. Obviously an amateur. But anyway, I would love your help trying to find the right buttons that would go with this. Like the thumb is an inch wide, so therefore the buttonhole is almost an inch. So we're looking about maybe that big. I have no idea what the original buttons look like or what they were made out of, but I want to do this great designer justice by finding buttons that would honor the skill and taste of this jacket. So if you could let me know what buttons you think I should use, you fashionistas, you costume designers, you fashion designers, it'd be great. So you can email me. I think it's Kattalestv, @gmail.com, or leave a detailed description down below. Thanks. Bye. One more time, I'll let you see the back of the jacket. Gorgeous. This shit is gorgeous. And I don't know if I want to go with, I don't know about what color the buttons should be. Should it be a little bit of white, off-white? A little bit of pearl? Should they be black? Should it have a little bit of sparkle? I have no idea. But let me know. Thanks. Bye.